guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to Boracay. Yes! Totoo na to guys! Boracay ng mga person! Diba? So yeah, mag-check-in na lang kami. Check namin yung baggage namin if tama lang sa kilo. And then...
Vlogger friend!
And then we're going... Yeah. Pero tayong former... worker sa PAL. That's why medyo okay madali. May mag-i-impake pa po namin. Mag-i-impake pa po front. So naka-check-in na kami, but we still have our luggage. We're just gonna go out to eat.
Hi guys!
Hi guys! So we're just gonna go out to eat and because it's gonna be expensive once we check in the security. So we're just gonna be going out and then eat. Grabe, ang mahal na ng Jolly Hotdog. My God! Ano bang meron sa Jolly Hotdog ng Jollibee? May gold po ba yan? May gold ba yan? Ay, masarap yun oh. Bacon and egg cheese pancake sandwich. Ay, bet. Para reklamo.
Mas malasa ka.
Ganito nga pala yung creamer. And then, like this. The inflation is real. Because look at the, this is the pancake.
Hindi naman ako vlogger, pero
This is the pancake. Nawawala na yung
Tinignan pa yung chicken ko nakakalamang yung chicken.
Ay, ang sarap ng chicken niya, oh.
Kumain ka.
Sobrang cute kasi. Parang yung McDonald's McGriddle.
Hindi natin alam yun. Cheeseburger lang. Cheeseburger lang.
It look like McDonald's McGriddle siya. So,
Wala, cheeseburger lang yung sa akin. Pancake lang natin kikinsi.
it's egg and bacon. Normal I would get sausage.
Alam mo, pag nalipasan ka talaga, parang hindi ko na ganun pa kami.
Dapat nag-before and after tayo. Patigil na pa after washroom. Uy, ganda oh. Fresh.
Kami lang. Ay.
Fresh oh. For the edit tayo habang naghihintay. Hi guys. So, already checked in and we already go past by the security. Now we're just waiting for our flight. We're here at our gate now, which is gate 15. Just a quick run-up about our trip. So we're going to Boracay and then we just got picked up from Vian to Manila. We traveled by car, but you can also travel by bus, which is from Vian to Cabanatuan Terminal to Asay Terminal, and then going to Manila, going to the airport. But we just decided to rent a driver to take us here because we just didn't have enough time to travel by the bus. But you can do that too as well. Parang tagal din mga kaibigan ko. So, for the washroom muna tayo mag-isa. It's my first, no, not my first time. It's been a while since my last domestic flight from the Philippines. So my first ever flight was in Palawan. And now I'm going to Boracay. I'm so excited. I'm excited and I'm so proud because wow, finally I'll be able to take off Boracay out of my bucket list. So yeah. For the boarding na tayo guys. Unang-una tayo sa boarding. Nauna pa tayo sa may mga anak. Nauna pa tayo sa mga matanda. Grabe. Oh, naka-board na kami.
Picture sana tayo. Kunin mo na nga lahat.
Kunin lahat.
Vian. Anong ba tayo? 32. 32.
Ay,
Nawawala na ako sa ano.
Wow! May perks yung pagiging matangkad nating kaibigan, oo.
Wow.
Goodbye, Hana!
Si Marvin yun, si
Hi, guys! Tanong pa yung mga plato, nakaubulig siya.
Opo, bakla.
So excited. Excited na ba kayo? Ano ba yung tora? Imagine, natutuloy na yung tora natin.
Hindi naman natin ang ilang.
Sorry. See you, Bora. Tagumpay ang mga plato. Parang magnanay, guys. Ako yung tita. Tita Rose. Hi, guys. We're very, 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 very excited. Ang ganda ng view. Canada. Canada. Guys, next flight nitong mga Canada na. Ah, claim it. Yes.
Kasal trabaho.
Di ba pakasal magkatrabaho? Next flight nila Canada na. Yan! Boracay Airport! Ay, maliit lang pala siya, no?
Ay, sinasabi sa inyo.
Yan.
Walang aircon.
For the pila. Don't worry, girlfriend. Ganyan din sa Cuba eh. Ganyan na ganyan din.
Ay, gano'n?
Oo, ano lang. Pero maliit lang din talaga. Yung package natin. Yung nag-iisang package namin, guys, kailangan namin makuha. Saan tayo?
Bigla lang tayo ng konti. Bicycle na.
Ah, ito na mismo yun. Ito na mismo yung package.
Ito na yun.
Ah, ito na yung package area. Hindi na siya yung conveyor na gumagalaw.
Wala.
Umiikot-ikot. Ah, manual pala siya.
Wait a minute.
Manual labor ang ating
Ano ba dahil dyan?
for the ikot-ikot. Bakit sila, girlfriend, meron silang allowed na baggage?
Oo, ano, hindi siguro yung ginelect nila. Sa flight nila.
Ah, na meron.
Yeah.
Sobrang bigat ng package natin na yun. Diyos ko. Hi guys! So, we're gonna ride a tricycle going to the port from the airport. Nakikita nyo ba lahat yan? Yung mga sundo nila na yan. Hindi yan ang sasakyan namin.
Marami nagtatanong ko paano mag-DIY ng ano, pupunta
Oo.
ng Boracay. So,
Okay.
pwede natin i-vlog.
Yeah. So, ito na yung DIY, how to get to Boracay Island.
Because we're here at Katiklan pa lang.
Katiklan pa lang to. So, from the airport,
We're gonna go down.
we're gonna go down. Charis. So, start na ng DIY natin. Magka-tricycle tayo pang transfer sa port. From port, ay ano, airport to the port. Ito yung mga tricycle nila, guys. So, 50 pesos each.
Ban? Ban?
Anong van-van na yan? Tricycle tayo!
Yung ban? Babababain ka lang
port ng Boracay is another tribe.
Yeah, we tried to going to hotel. Just going to hotel.
Yes, going to the hotel. Electrical tricycle. So yeah.
Ay, English pala yung kami.
No, it's
Ay, may subtitle. Talaga.
Talaga, mapaglagay ako.
Ay, kayang Taglish yan.
so we got dropped off sa parang eskinita and then we have to walk. Ayan na guys! Lakad na tayo sa hotel. So guys, kanan ba? Kanan.
daw?
Mga beach front lang pala po mga napili ni mga kana. Which is good. So after the drive, we're just gonna look for our hotel. Hindi na ako. Oh my God, nakikita ko talaga. Finally guys, nahanap namin yung hotel. We finally found the hotel. So, sana makapag-check-in na maaga. So, waiting na lang kami guys na maka-check-in because our time supposed to be checked-in is 2 p.m. and it's still like 9:30, so still early. So, we're figuring out what to do.
How did you go? Ang pangkot naman kasi nito. Wala ka.
Yung tatabihan ni Hana, oh. Yan. Tabihan.
Tabihan mo, babaeng lumpo eh.
So, lahat daw po ng mga toursters here is same
Ito naman po
price.
scuba diving, 2,000.
Binibili lang ni Hana kung sino pinakamabait.
Ito po ang isa sa pinaka-exciting. Kahit ako po.
Kung may chance ka, di po mag-apam na lang din po ako. Sino may gusto na apam?
Me.
Ay, nang everyday tayo bakasyon. Hi, Bo. Welcome to my crib. Welcome to the hotel here in Boracay, Ocean Cloud Hotel. So first, we have the room, washroom. They have this toilet, and then they have the shower here. Separate with the glass door. Perfect for the Mordalugan.
Wow!
Perfect to guys. Wow, wow.
Oop!
On my menu, we have this small containers to take home. For the take home yun, guys. And then, I think this is toothbrush. Dental kit, super cute. I love it. Environmentally friendly, right? And then, perfect for washing face and stuff. And then, very, malapit na mag-give up. Almost giving up. Yes, and then the big mirror over here for OOTD. Ay. Yeah, perfect. So, and then towels. Yan. It's a view, and this is our luggage. And then this is where we're gonna hang our towels. That's gonna be super wet after the shower. And then, relaxing area with the TV. And vanity mirror. Ay, perfect din to. It's also perfect.
Dapat nga wala na to, no? Para gusto natin mag-selfie-selfie.
Yes. With the coffee, with the mugs that we can take home as well. And then coffee, cream. Oh my god, I'm so cute. It's so cute. And then the kettle that we can take home as well.
Bruh!
My God!
Water that we can take home as well. Let's see what's in here. They have makeup. There's nothing here. Okay. And then they give us small bed. But we don't need it. We want the big bed, like a king bed. So that's the only problem we have here. They gave us 3 separate beds that we don't need. We want a big king bed so we can, bardalugan is. Ay, namatay. Ay, Diyos ko po.
Ay, namamatay. May sensor, ano? Mangin.
Sa likod na natawag na.
Mamaya manginig ka naman dyan kasi.
Yan. We have the bed. Then the mirror that you can see each other. And another bed here. And then phone with the information we don't need. Okay.
Information that we don't need.
We have a closet. Hallelujah. Actually.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Diyan mo ilagay yung pera mo.
Yes.
Doon mo lalagay.
We can put our
Sara ulo.
20 pesos here. Para safe na safe our 20
Ay, may tumatawag.
pesos. Diyos ko, sino ba itong istorbo na to? Okay, and then we have this. Lalagyan ng...
Hanger.
Ay, para, it looks like it's so inconvenient. You're gonna put your clothes here and then you have the, ano. What if you have a long dress? It's not gonna fit. Another mistake. Ocean Club. And then here we have the...
Ba't walang soft drinks na ako lang?
And why do you have a egg container here?
Ay, bili tayo itlog.
We're gonna buy egg.
Yeah, balot.
Oh, you have the refrigerator here. You're gonna put your food and gonna put your shoes here.
Wait a minute.
Wine container kasi.
Yeah.
Wine!
Masyado kayong judgmental. Namuhay na kaya.
Wine, and then yes, you're gonna close it, and then that's it. That's it for the world tour, Bo. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.
How about the view?
Ang ganda ng hotel na to. Ah, may paano din.